All right, what is up, guys? It's Javier. Oh my god, I look so like pale. I don't know why. What is up, guys? It's Javier. I'm gonna show what I'm have today. We're gonna install this is a fucking sticker. The straight up pumps oil pump mod. Looks really nice. It isn't too bad of a price, you know, it's decent. And I've had this already for a while. This isn't new. I'm gonna be doing a valve adjustment also on the Grom. None of this should be really that hard. Hold on. Can't forget to put the sticker. I'm probably gonna put it right here. Shout out to Straight Up Oil Pumps. Or Straight Up Pumps. But yeah, it's gonna be like a pretty short video. It is cold outside. I might go a ride just to put gas, and then that's it. If I can find the double-sided tape I have, I'll do like a short little video, see if I feel a difference with the oil pump. But yeah, I also got it because if you know, I've been trying to learn the wheelie, and you know, I'm not getting too high, but you know, I'm starting to get a little higher, and I don't want to mess up the bike. So yeah, I went ahead and bought the oil pump mod, so I can pick up oil from the back. But yeah, I'll just see if, I'm not sure if on this one I have to change anything, but I'll see how it looks. If anything, I'll just take this out, put it on the other one, or vice versa, whatever. So yeah, I'll come back at the next part. All right, it is freezing even with these gloves on. My brother's just high, but yeah, I took off the whole valve cover, block off, whatever. I forgot what it's called properly. It was just 8s all around. If you have something like this, that'll help. And moving the rear set also will help. Put that over there. But yeah, then it is just these 10 millimeters. All right, so took it out. It was literally just pop up. These gears were right there on the stock one. Should fit in right, but I'll do a little comparison quick. All right, everything looks pretty much the same. I guess with the older models, they didn't come with this, but it's literally the same thing. Everything looks the same except for, you know, this stock one, new one, stock one, new one. Looks the same, everything. All right, so let's see if I can put this in with one hand. All right, so I'm running into this issue where the oil spinner isn't letting me like set it flush. So I set it all the way down. So what I'm gonna do is just take out the oil spinner. I thought it can be done with this. I guess maybe not. This special tool, you are gonna need it. I honestly didn't think it would. Down here, over right here was where I was like a little scared to push. But you know, just give it a little push and it'll actually just come over a little and then clear. Everything seems to line up, so I'm just gonna bolt it back up, clean up the oil spinner, and then put everything back on and start in the valves. All right, so put everything back Gotta lift the bike up, and I'll give it a quick start before I start the valve adjustment, just to make sure I did the oil pump right. But it's pretty much easy if you have the right tools. Whatnot. Having all these tools helps a lot. But yeah, hold on. Where is neutral? Alright. I have to sit down. All right, guys. What is up? This is like, I think the following day after I did the stuff on the Grom. I haven't really rode it. I did like up and down the street for like 5 minutes. Feels better with the pump, I guess. Not really nothing noticeable. But I'm gonna show you the new helmet setup that I'm gonna be using. I'll flip the camera. Hold on. All right. Excuse the mess. Whatever, blah blah blah. But yeah, this is the new helmet setup. I'll be using for now. I don't have a mic, but you can still somewhat hear audio. But yeah, it's just gonna be recording, you know, whatever I do, and hopefully this angle works. It looks a little slanted, but I can fix that. But yeah, should improve videos. But yeah, thanks to whoever watched the video, and like, comment, subscribe, share the video, whatever. And you know, thanks. See you in the next video.